Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we bought the Diamond Pass and we got all these freebies including 250 gems. This is my first top up guys for the season. We also got some rare wild shards and the bonus champion wild shard, epic wild shards. Let's see if it's ready to be activated. Pay to win! Okay. And we got another bonus. These are all the bonus items that we got guys. And now let's claim. Okay. And now I'm gonna use that Hero Goblins with this deck guys. I'm gonna play a rank game. Let's see how good and broken this hero is. Yeah, should not use Royal Hugs first play. Let's use Ghost. I don't think those are heroes, so go invisible. He's probably using Graveyard, guys. Oh, is this giant Graveyard? I use Poison, guys. Now we can use the Wizard. Then I'm going to use the upgraded Hero Wizard with the bigger radius. That's a clean sweep. Now we can roll out the opposite lane. Oh, use Goblin Cage. Kind of a weird deck. My opponent has. The good thing about the Hero Goblins is when it gets to your opponent's side, you can use one elixir to respawn them on the same spot that the last goblin died. Let's see. So he has no choice but to respond to that. But I'm not gonna use the ability now. Now I can use it. No, it didn't. It did not make it, guys. Now we have the Royal Evolution, guys. Royal's Evolution. But first you have to get rid of that. No, too bad didn't hit the giant. Okay, use the Goblin Cage, guys. Now he has no counter to the Evo Royal Hugs. More Goblin actions. Yeah, I'm not gonna use the Royal Hugs yet until I'm safe. Okay, let's lightning value, guys. Excuse me. It's gonna poison again. Use the Ghost. Yeah, he has so many splash, guys. I cannot use the Royal Evolution yet. But I know I'm gonna win this, guys. Just be patient. The stability and Barbaral the Furnace, Ghost ability. Actually, I should have just rolled out False Evolution now. Okay. Okay, there are more. Okay, that's gonna be tower down, guys. With the lightning. Go, 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 Ghost. Nice. I wasn't able to fully showcase the Hero Goblin ability, but It's pretty OP, guys. Especially in bait decks. So, buy it now. I think this will get nerfed in 1 season or less. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.